Sus guys, tapos na kami nagsimba guys. Yan, punta tayo ng Caribou Coffee guys. Sus, tapos na kaya kami nagsimba guys. So nice guys. Grabe. Napaka sarap sa feelings na matapos ka magsimba guys. Nakasimba ka guys. And so samahan niyo naman kami guys. Punta tayo ng Caribou Coffee. Yeah. Sus, show ko sa inyo weather guys. Nice weather today. This is very perfect. Today is the Easter days. Easter day Sunday. Wow. Very perfect guys. Kaya nagsisimba talaga ako ngayon guys. Kasi partner ko guys. Ayan. So punta tayo ngayon sa Caribou Coffee. Kasi tapos na tayong nagsimba doon sa Immaculate, Immaculate Church guys. Ayan. Samahan nyo kami mag-Caribou Coffee. Sa galing. Tapos mag-church. Tapos inundo ng coffee sa Caribou Coffee guys. Before punta ko ng Starbucks right, but now I really like the Caribou Coffee here. So very delicious. So nice guys. The aroma very nice. I like it. So punta tayo ng Caribou Coffee guys. Yes. Malapit na tayo sa Caribou Coffee guys. So samahan nyo kami, pupunta tayo sa Caribou Coffee kasi tapos na kami nagsimba. Ayan, tapos na akong nagsimba guys. Tapos na akong napapasalamat guys. Ayan. So samahan nyo kami pupunta sa Caribou Coffee. Mag-coffee ako guys kasi kahit may Caribou Coffee doon sa bahay, but masarap talaga yung Caribou here, like mocha. Because there it's only dark coffee there, but here, yeah, I can order a mocha. Yeah, so I like the mocha here. Mocha Caribou Coffee. The coffee here, it's very good. So we are near na guys, very near. So yan, nandito na tayo. Yan yung Caribou Coffee guys. Lapit na tayo. So ikot tayo dito guys. Ayan, nandito yung Caribou Coffee. Ito siya dyan. Park pala siya. Ayan, may McDonald's doon. Ayan yung Caribou Coffee guys. Papasok guys. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa Caribou Coffee. Bye for now. So, let's go outside guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Pasok na tayo dito sa Caribou guys. Tapos nandito na naman tayo. Honey? Okay. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa Caribou Coffee guys. Tapos na kami nagsimba. So, coffee tayo dito guys. Ayan. Pasok na tayo dito guys. Ayan, tapos na tayong nagsimba. So, nandito na naman tayo sa Caribou Coffee. Annie, hi. Hello. Since we're here at the Caribou Coffee guys. Ayan, nandito kami guys. Tapos na magsimba. Coffee kami dito. Ayan. So, sarap ng coffee sa Caribou Coffee guys. Nandito kaya kami dito guys. So, let's wait at Caribou Coffee. So, wait kami sa order ng Ayan. Habang nag-wait sa order.
See, I used to get the boys chocolate bunnies for Easter, but they're too big now. So you cooked them up a bunch of nice food.
Really?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. A bunch of spring rolls, yeah.
Yeah, spring rolls and the pasta.
Very delicious. I like it. Very perfect for business. It's like very so perfect. Let's drink coffee, guys. Perfect. I have like terrible coffee here. So very wow.
So very well.
Yeah, so good. Yeah. So good, you know. My God. Perfect. Perfect, you guys. After church, I have this one. Let's drink coffee, guys. Perfect. Very perfect for my Sunday today. Yesterday, right? So we are here at the Caribou Coffee, drinking coffee here, mocha coffee. Yan. Sama ko yung partner ko. Yan. So let's drink coffee, guys. Yan. So nandito tayo sa Caribou Coffee. Yan. So natatapos lang namin yung mag-church. So just go right out, go here so fast because it's not so far from the church. We go straight to that, you see. So perfect. So we're gonna, guys, we're gonna meet there, guys. So let's go now.